Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okie dokie, today we have a cinnamon vanilla French toast. And it's real easy to do, and it's absolutely delicious. So to a bowl, I have 4 large eggs. And to that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then we're going to add a half a cup of half and half. If you don't know what half and half is, it's located in your dairy section right next to the heavy whipping cream. Then add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then just whisk the batter together till it's mixed. And with a grill set to about medium heat, we're melting up some butter. And then we're going to dip our toast into the batter. And then we'll just give these a couple of minutes to cook up. And we'll be ready for the next step. They'll be looking a little bit something like this when they're just about done. This recipe I think made 6 or 8 slices. If you need more, you could certainly easily double this recipe. Did a little breakfast for dinner that night. All right, let's get to serving. All right, got our 3 pieces of French toast there. A little bit of bacon. And some sausage medallions. And then just drizzle over some maple syrup. And make sure it's real maple syrup. Don't get the imitation crap. So that's cinnamon vanilla French toast. Done.